Hi friends, welcome back to Auto Pro EV. Electric vehicle, EV, enthusiasts, get ready to shift your expectations. Honda, the Japanese automaker known for its reliable and fuel-efficient vehicles, is not just sticking to terra firma. At the 2023 Tokyo Auto Show, Honda unveiled a bunch of electrified future concepts, including a flying car. The most eye-catching concept is the Honda eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, vehicle. This futuristic vehicle looks like a blend of a drone and an electric car. It has 4 propellers that allow it to take off and land vertically, making it ideal for urban commuting. The eVTOL concept has a range of about 249 miles and can carry up to 4 passengers. Honda is not the only automaker developing eVTOL vehicles. Hyundai, Toyota, and other major players are also working on similar concepts. However, Honda's eVTOL concept is one of the most advanced to date. In addition to the eVTOL concept, Honda also unveiled a number of other electrified future concepts at the Tokyo Auto Show. Honda Sustaina-C concept, this small hatchback is made from recycled acrylic and features a solar-powered roof. It has a range of about 124 miles and can be fully charged in about 6 hours. Honda SC-E concept, this electric scooter is designed for urban commuting. It has a range of about 12 miles and can be swapped out for a fresh battery in just a few seconds. Honda eN2 concept, this electric SUV is designed to be comfortable and spacious. It has a range of about 311 miles and can seat up to 7 passengers. Honda's electrified future concepts give us a glimpse of what the automaker is planning for the coming years. It is clear that Honda is committed to developing a wide range of electric vehicles, from small hatchbacks to flying cars. Honda's electrified future, a new era of mobility. Honda's electrified future concepts are more than just eye candy. They represent a new era of mobility, one that is cleaner, more efficient, and more accessible than ever before. The eVTOL concept, for example, has the potential to revolutionize urban commuting. By making it possible to travel vertically, eVTOL vehicles could help to reduce traffic congestion and air pollution in cities. The Sustaina-C concept is another example of Honda's commitment to sustainability. Made from recycled materials and powered by solar energy, the Sustaina-C concept is a glimpse of the future of electric vehicles. The SC-E concept and eN2 concept show that Honda is developing electric vehicles for a variety of needs. The SC-E concept is ideal for short-distance commuting, while the eN2 concept is a versatile SUV that can accommodate families and groups. Overall, Honda's electrified future concepts are a sign that the automaker is serious about developing electric vehicles that are both innovative and practical. With its commitment to sustainability and its focus on developing a wide range of electric vehicles, Honda is well positioned to lead the way in the electrified future of transportation. Honda's electrified future concepts in the context of the global EV market. Honda's electrified future concepts come at a time when the global EV market is rapidly growing. In 2022, global EV sales increased by over 100% compared to the previous year. This trend is expected to continue in the coming years, as governments around the world implement policies to promote the adoption of electric vehicles. Honda is one of a number of automakers that are investing heavily in EV development. In 2022, Honda announced a $700 million investment to retool several of its existing auto and powertrain plants to establish the new EV hub in Ohio. This investment will allow Honda to produce battery electric vehicles in the United States starting in 2026. Honda's electrified future concepts are a sign that the automaker is committed to developing competitive EV products for the global market. With its strong brand reputation and its focus on innovation, Honda is well positioned to succeed in the rapidly growing EV market. Honda's electrified future concepts are a sign of the automaker's commitment to developing innovative and sustainable transportation solutions. With its focus on eVTOL vehicles, recycled materials, and solar energy, Honda is leading the way in the electrified future of transportation. Honda's visionary concepts for an electrified future are not just limited to their own realm, they resonate profoundly within the expansive landscape of the global EV market. In a world where electric vehicle sales are soaring, Honda, among other leading automakers, is pouring substantial resources into the relentless pursuit of EV innovation. Through their electrified future concepts, Honda emphatically demonstrates their unyielding dedication to crafting cutting-edge, competitive EV offerings for the world.
Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe for more.